As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I plan a dawn corridor shot along a braided Amazon.
As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I perform a precise lateral sweep along a forest edge, showing the crisp transition to cleared land.
As a Middle Eastern female drone operator, I mapped this meandering river corridor from altitude for conservation analysis.
As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I soar above a river confluence at midday to photograph.
Spirit of the river, accept our thanks this dawn. May the smoke carry our prayers.
As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I perform a precise grid sweep for multispectral-like visual.
Twilight mission underway. We're capturing these incredible bioluminescent fungus patches under the roots. We simulate a long exposure here. As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I execute a slow, revealing arc above a We're performing a stabilized low pass here to capture the rivulets. The texture on this leaf litter is incredible.
As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I film from a long reach over a remote river rapids section.
The detail here is extraordinary. Notice how the water strider manipulates the surface tension as this tiny ecosystem floats by.
20 years flying, and views like this still amaze me. The long exposure captures the phosphorescent swarms perfectly, while
orbiting this ancient giant really puts the scale into perspective. Look how small the research team seems.
I'm executing a low, steady pass over the tributary, focusing on the submerged root structures and the fish shadows below.
We're tracking a small group of capuchins along this dense canopy road. The telephoto lens lets us see their expressions clearly.
As an African-American male drone operator with 20 years of experience, I chart a high-altitude mosaic of a rain.
As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I capture this top-down study of seasonal floodplain channels carving temporary islands. As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I do a slow reveal of an ancient earthwork, framed.
Aerial corridor confirms the illegal trail. We are documenting clear footprints, discarded military gear, and fresh cuts along the route.
As a female drone operator with 20 years of experience, I approach this canopy gap, revealing the successional growth.
As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I recorded this dawn to noon time-lapse of canopy dynamics.
As a drone operator with 20 years of experience, I circle a network of small river islands used by nesting.
As a light-skinned Caucasian female drone operator in her 40s with 20 years of experience, I pan across a mosaic of flooded forests.